Hello and welcome to Pendulum Divining and Dowsing with Lyman Holton. Today we're going to be using this very beautiful pendulum. This pendulum is made from what's commonly known as tiger's eye. Tiger's eye is the calciny mineral class. As you can see, it has a silky luster and an opaque transparency. It comes in a golden to red-brown color. This gemstone is quite common in dry, hot areas around the globe. Tiger's eye gemstones are believed to help one's self-confidence and inner strength. This really is a beautifully unique pendulum. What I want to talk about today with the mighty pendulum is our use of mobile phones, wireless devices, and how does that affect our health? How does it affect our body? The use of mobile phones, cell phones, smartphones, whatever name you choose to use, have been suspected of causing health problems. We've all heard of someone who was found to have a brain tumor, and it was believed that the tumor was caused by that person's excessive use of their smartphone. Are we getting too much exposure to electromagnetic fields? How about radio waves, wireless Wi-Fi communication systems? Well, the good news is we can use our dowsing abilities to find the answers. Let's move on to question number 1. We'll have 3 questions. Question number 1. Okay, got my elbow situated. Whoops, better take a shot of coffee. The finest brew in all the land. So the question I'm going to ask is the amount of time I currently carry my smartphone on my person harmful to my health? Okay? We're all set. Is the amount of time I currently carry my smartphone on my person harmful to my health? Okay, in there we've gone into a clockwise motion, which means no for me. So that's good news. Now you could change this question to fit your particular situation. Maybe it's not a smartphone. Maybe it's your cordless hardline phone that you have. Maybe it's your iPod or iPad. All right, it could be whatever, just the amount of wireless technology in your home. Okay, but that's question number 1. And for me, I got a no. Now, if I would have gotten a yes, of course, I could ask more questions to find out what would be the appropriate amount of time that I could carry my smartphone on my person without harming my health. You know, would it be 1 to 5 hours a day? Like that, and then you whittle it down. Okay, now we go on to question number 2. Now remember, before we ask these questions, we have to get into what we call a dowsing state. You clear your mind, you only concentrate on the question, and for me, I write the question down here. Makes it easier for me Works really good. Something you might want to try. All right. Is the level of Wi-Fi emissions in my home harmful to my health? And again, it goes to no, no. So no, the level of Wi-Fi emissions in my home are not harmful to my health. Okay. Now I do have Wi-Fi on all the time, so I don't think it's an exceptionally strong amount of Wi-Fi, but it's on and I use it every day. Okay, question number 3. Would my health benefit from switching from wireless to hardwired devices? Okay, well, Pendulum's telling me that no, it would not benefit me to switch to hardwired devices. So, okay, that's no, no, no for all the questions. Now, if it did tell me that I should switch, then I might want to incorporate asking on a scale of 0 to 10, how much would it benefit me? 1 to 5? Yes, no. 5 to 10? You know, whatever it would work out to be, we could do that. All right? So, there's our 3 questions. And until next time, goodbye for now.